Mame.
Who is here and is no say for you no kind of idea way and so or come soon. You understand what I'm saying? Tell me Casa. Oh, what P? Well, from across on my phone to me to share no phone. That boy today, yeah,
Oh, sorry.
Oh,
But you wait a minute, Macho. What I want. We can come out. I'm on the kind myself. Me Pacho, when you didn't ham.
oh,
Your wife. Were you okay?
Oh, we're okay.
We are sure.
We're very okay.
And then medical power chon. And in near maybe I was young, if you have seen any, the way we see no Cassano. Just say, me might try cross a minute Cassa, but the way we see what it's your mamma and a Cassa 1 ton and some farm. Na me de o ye no se ka me na me ye bi no me no bi tu me fu a se bi nka ba me wie mi sei de o ye no so anhwe ye wo hu obepushu saa mo tinken sei na se efia kwa untu na nsi ha wo mpa nanim kwa hwe se wonim de o ye pa hu enka me donya be se enko menim nko nye so wonya be men munya 40 se pa no kasa wonim didi watam e woni pem campaign house ha sei no jojo blood e maye fefe me sia me to ya maye eya me kwa me banya sa na me pe na broken heart am yankasa me na mu ofie ha sei no sam kasa me start ma asem na ohene wo be soma me enso ni nyina ye me yankasa ahyase no me sori gina me kunu se kakai me bom didi na tam fia obi hu se me fa ne nya hwe be ma ne tinken sei no wasan wale ni oba ne tifia omo dan ni omo dan ni timba ta ha na be ma ne boko benkum boko ni fa no ba ne je hu baby right there baby I love that na broken heart am de shede mo na misu na de wo yeye betimi ekonanim asa makro panyini se me 24 wotime de di matem
see, yeah, sorry. Because I fetch me. We say, oh, but no, I me off phone so no. The catch any parents say, oh, excuse me, because I mean, any marital issues. I didn't want to put it out there.
I know.
Regardless, I will say me show no respect.
Sure.
But he said, "Oh, cause oh, can no Sunday about so." Well, the first of all, fetch me.
Oh.
But me my be man no. Say me parent na me worry over.
Sure.
Do you understand? And I worry so. I quite remember the day I worry will be 2 or 4 say. You the be a be smooth. If you be say. It's me I'm trying.
Okay.
But say me ya na say me ntumi na ma ho den san.
E ho no na me mpene ho no na me e ho no medical hu sa future no. E na mpese nka me sia no kwa ba wo yira me hu say me gimi me yekura se ni kwa me. Wo se me yekonkon se me nyima no fi na wale sem no.
Onum se me hia me re. No won ti sa o. Na enam fosem. Ene na me ka secret a che o macho. Me tia kra me ya adwuma enyi me di bibia ye okay.
Wo nya adwuma kwa ni oni padwam kwa che se wo de wo hu. Pe ka wo yisu ofia.
But the way what didn't want to bo
now for some
for girls be na say omo ye no akra sem we okay
yes darling
we all no come on this one asem wo hono no catch you every time say if you have any problem just talk about it but this silence treatment ni Simon they are
to be completely sure, but I'm funny serious, mommy. Babe, if you wanna get him, if you wanna baby get him, emboam me, darling, emboam me. Share and nania. I call you better, Bejna, Honomia, no person better, Kaimi. Ti babe, ya can't wait, create me. I said, the baby say it's me, Basso Babet's name. Me dear, me person mechanic baby because my fed up. Ya make a chon is a babe. Me if you watch no pa. Na say babe, won't take a decision be I'll go back to Accra. Because one of them boost your fogu. I'll go back to Accra. Because my head they will say me ye bia. When you were doing say but my head too. I'm tired.
If ya say sana ohwe na say wadwene ho ne be bo so be it. I mean so be it. Listen, first of all,
really?
If I'm being very honest to you. Umua dear. Second of all, sua dear, peso be sua dear. And a third of all, we and Sheswo. But me was Ekofi. Me my own shameso da. What is the mission I say? Who person would jam a consua and me ya dear my hold into me. If you are me, if you're for they are very nice people, but you are not nice to yourself until you can't relate to them. You don't have to judge a book by its cover. Who disrespected Aquani so badly? I was so embarrassed. Do you understand? Even if you have to disrespect somebody, not in my presence, because as I said, Bema me no tieno, mintimin kasancho, and I said, two for me, Bomanicho, we are bold enough to tell me, say, and boy, me. What are you talking about? If you feel, say, going back to Accra is the way out, why not? Feel free, go. I will be fine. I'm not going to die. Trust me, I'm not going to die. I will be fine.
Really?
Oh,
okay. No, sweetheart. And how one kasa baby? Next one kasa na wo pemi apam me. And I said that them babet na sam mutani mo no.
Okay.
Na wo pemi apam me, babe. So the me ba kuma so ba be me say.
Efia.
How?
Heaven knows my heart. Say,
God.
I love you from the bottom of my heart. Listen to me. I love you 120%. But I hate your attitude. That's the problem we are having right now. You as a person, listen, you are an amazing woman. Who are fair, a radium of baby. Dear, a radium farmer, I don't call him out. It's your character. Just because you want to live your life to please somebody. Do you understand? And go back right me who ye umpona who push me say me bibi. You want me to go and take a huge sum of money?
Men can't you say you be na famwa? Now they wouldn't say so you be man the boy.
Now cause means a huge amount of money and fam come be for rent, no. I don't know boy me and answer where me then.
Babe, life na you want no. Say you real crab. If you na yetimono and yet it's single room and like it's not apartment. Just a walk obi ho away friends about Fernando because share. Who you so bad Fernando because share. Why? Babe, I'm not trying to say the way you sit here in Tino, my young pay a baby, I am quite be shema or be my discovery. But can you now make any say them then show?
Babe, chamber and horse self-contained is not bad at all. Listen to me. And go for no more for including even a fear and impono, or no to baby a way single and what they say chamber and horn, Eddie Amay. Babe, morning saw the over. That's what I want to tell you.
No, I hate you. I hate you.
You can hate me for all you.
Because me can be I want to mass. Me can be I want to mass.
Because
from tomorrow going, so one can be Chemia. I'll go back to Accra.
No problem. I will stay here and wait, and I will be fine. I can promise you that. I cannot do nothing.
Okay.
Right now, you know my accounts. You know how much money I have in my account. And then I was current. Me go first go in.
Can I get him the car I say?
I don't know why you hate this car too. And I'll say me, from. First of all, maybe I say if you told me one day. Inti car na me turn ne and I'm a turn or china. Inti say ose anu nti no so obekwa akra e kwan da wanim. Ose anu nti obekwa akra e kwan da wanim.
Babe, me pacho. Me no emma me yi. There was a make be a macacho. By so, was if you want or better na say was if your phone say me more dear and to what jet to say me more dear tomorrow morning me call back.
If you are show who dear. If you are why na wundi dinner tell me 3 from A to Z. So
more respect you more. E can me Anita, can me respect you more.
No.
Don't say that.
That's not the point. The point right here is that who was sourcing omu that's how you feel. Who say if you want to go.
Yeah, I'll go.
Okay,
I'll go.
So be it. So be it. But I can promise you that. So if you want to go.
If you na will ragate me kana ka wo so sa. If you say aye. If you say aye. I don't me say me kwa kwatena agye mfama. Me to wonom sana mapampempe panyan.
Na what did you ask na pay ti be tiri ma. E so me na my me fault. Put it you ask pay na so e ti be tiri ma me fault me na my. Listen to me, if you spare me all this raise and ras. I mean give me some peace. I just want to go and take a quick rest. What must say? Me person me call taking up. Don't bring this thing in the house. And farmer ho, who say opesa okwa, me mean so mu. You are oba me no tie. Your car say bia na opesa wo de me come threaten me. So be it. Let's go.
Mommy.
I need money.
Every day you need money. Yana sana mauska.
She be my odogu.
Odogu day. Odogu.
Please now.
I feel I'm a fefe. Fefe wa brabo. Missing our train, I'm sure. I'm discussing now my bed and I'm meeting my comment.
Okay, just I want to go and
let's go and sleep at hotel.
Why every day you want hotel street? Why? What is wrong with you? Are you really okay?
I'm okay, but I mean, you have to change environment.
So why would you be spending money on hotel? Oh, yeah, give me that money. Come to my house. No one come.
You as I told you, man, so that we feel home. You forget. Huh? What be this?
This one Arabic code. This one
what's the meaning?
My secret prayer. Yalla, elatisma.
Elatische.
Yalla.
Hey, Mona.
Yes.
What are you doing here?
With my boyfriend.
What are you with who? Who is your boyfriend?
Son of my boyfriend.
This guy standing here is your boyfriend.
Yes.
Where do you know him from?
No, Dogu.
Hey, who's your Dogu? He is a scammer.
A scammer.
Yes, he is a scammer. He will scam you. Well, listen.
Go fish scam Nigeria woman.
Mona.
Go fish scam Nigeria woman.
He is a scammer. He told me that he will post my naked video if I don't give him 7,000. And I told him to post it to Instagram. 7,000 Ghana cedis. I did not give it to him. He's a scammer.
They blackmail people.
I know they blackmail.
Hey! Virus. Wazan, what about hey? Nigeria need your scammer chain.
No wonder you don't want to enter my house.
He don't want to come to your house. Oh, now wow. Kind of question. Wait, what's your unia? What's your unia? Scammer to scammer. Blackmailing. It won't go. Hey, forget about this boy.
I better give me money, make I go.
Give me money. What work you do for me? Make I give you money.
Ah,
I told you.
You do work for me.
I'm not your boyfriend, your girlfriend again. So
has he chopped you? Has he chopped you?
Has
he chopped you?
This girl that you see him. This girl that you see him.
Several times.
Pepper, you wanna go?
Hey, you are a scammer. Really? Blackmailing guy. Oh, when you macho. When you
I residential area.
Hey, did he do a video with you?
No, I didn't.
I don't know. I thought I found love.
Hey!
That's the way they give me.
He will blackmail you. My dear, I'm here.
Is it not your anus you send me?
A small one now.
You sent it.
I now. Why? You won't use them?
I use them for what?
Your anus.
But you told me you delete
He
them.
will use it to blackmail
Blackmail
you.
her for what?
As I'm here, you can't do anything to her. My dear, who yes scammer? Who yes scammer? Maybe when you want to me a higher story. When Obwani Capre, he don't have a penny. Are you still talking to him? Mona, I am okay.
Come on, don't do like this.
I feel all I need to buy.
And every day you won't fuck me. You insult me. I saw you do. Don't try me, I naked myself for you.
Hey,
don't try me,
Easy.
Don't try me,
Easy. I beg.
You insult me.
And
I use this one.
Don't try me.
Don't try me, Yeah, I prepare before I come. Go ask about me.
Mona, so you two, you are mad.
I love him now.
You take
Odogu. Me?
You take red.
Why they do like that? You won't make a fight you. You won't come spoil my boyfriend.
I was telling you the truth. He is a scammer. You better know how to deal with him.
Okay,
do you understand?
Okay.
Dress well and
Thank you.
So you sent him your anus.
A small one now.
Hey, then I'm sorry. You prepare.
Because he was giving me
for blackmailing.
Money.
He was giving you money.
I know.
Okay. Then prepare to be blackmailed. Okay? Here. Go for your slippers and let's go.
You try me.
Hey, say one more about them. Hey, and if you would, you better.
Yeah. Baby. Afia. Oh, make a sound. No,
hey, stop it.
Now go and need to offer the serious. Patch on. Oh, Afia, I'm in front of you. Oh, Afia.
Stop it.
Come on, any pen. Oh, Afia.
Madam, so what? Madam, what about you, man? Perfect. Now, but tell what my family see them.
Hey, for Jimmy Free so called. Because yes, I'm the Tiffy say no. Concerning.
Who was? Madam, I will pay for the Obama camera once a match, eh? They not consenting baby.
We can talk this about. Listen,
please. Me pay me the cat money chame me no kasa money chame.
Go.
Hey, so one for Jimmy and free one man called man do it too.
Oh, boss said don't go.
Listen. Me catch I was say if you feel way me pay. Who got just been choose me Accra and I say Kumasi, me choose Accra, I'm going back.
Oh. Assemble clean. Boss, I don't know how. I just can't know one but let's well. This is our course, I know Baba, and I didn't better to hold to so. Me say they make them man pay me. Me. Omanaja blah blah. But yes, be my blah. I say my sister see akra dey arehu. Boss you ane na yire na ba you. And sister see am no kase na yire jana woko.
Okay.
When she sister bia so kutaba.
Oh, okay.
Oh, what I arehu se mo ni se waka. Then so ne pan yo.
Hi. Are you okay?
Okay, they one year naja.
Oh, don't worry. Before, is this your car?
Oh, ne dey car ni. Hwe. Ne car ni we kura no wan say we pen o de ba ha oba 10.
Ooh.
Yeah. Na ne yini chire man so say ano environment no won
Ah. Forget that one.
On forget mine. Only the monk.
Oga come now. Hey. Hey. I don't feel me. He doesn't feel me.
I don't can see so better.
Yeah, talk to you for me.
Hey, what's your home, Papa?
I like him.
What is that?
Please don't worry me. I'm okay. I need husband.
One can say, "Would you know me?"
Me, Jinamu, you the craze.
Hey,
I know the Jinamus. I need husband. Who doesn't like this one?
Sekio, Mama.
Friend.
Oga.
Hello, boss.
Who him say one on that Sekio? One in Sekio. Do you know Sekio?
He's really rich.
The Bible Sekio.
He have money.
Huh?
He has money. Oh yeah, let's go. Let me go to him. Maybe I can try to convince him. Hello.